Zai.
Which country you want to go?
Which country you want to go? To Africa, to Japan, India, Thailand, and Korea. Middle East. You want to go to Middle East? Okay, let's.
Selalu dah pakai baju Middle East.
Huh?
Selalu dah pakai baju baru.
Ah.
Pergi Afrika.
Pergi Afrika, Zahid. No running.
Dah bagus-bagus pergi.
Huh?
Dah bagus-bagus pergi.
Kita pergi Afrika. Afrika ada banyak tiger, cheetah, giraffe. Afrika, love Afrika. Betul. Wah.